Hey viewers, are you getting enough iron in your diet? Iron deficiency is the most common nutritional deficiency in the US, affecting nearly 10 million people. Low iron levels can cause iron deficiency anemia, impacting your energy, skin, hair, heart health, cognitive functions, and overall immunity. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can boost your iron levels. Is eating meat enough? What foods should vegans and vegetarians focus on? Can tea and coffee interfere with your iron absorption? We'll cover all that and more. Let's dive in. Iron is a crucial element in our bodies, essential for producing hemoglobin in red blood cells, which transport oxygen. Without enough iron, your body can't produce sufficient hemoglobin, leading to fewer red blood cells. This condition, known as iron deficiency anemia, can cause fatigue, weakness, and other health issues. Besides iron deficiency, anemia can also result from blood loss, genetic factors, and vitamin deficiencies like B12 and folate. Types of dietary iron: heme and non-heme. Dietary iron comes in two forms: heme and non-heme. Heme iron is found in animal products and is easily absorbed by the body. Non-heme iron, found in plants, grains, and vegetables, is less efficiently absorbed. Vegetarians and vegans need to be particularly mindful of their iron intake. Despite its lower absorption rate, most dietary iron comes from non-heme sources. The recommended daily allowance is 10 ml for men and 12 ml for women, with higher needs during pregnancy and for athletes. Boosting iron absorption with vitamin C. Increase your vitamin C intake to enhance iron absorption. While citrus fruits like lemons and oranges are well-known sources, bell peppers, guava, spinach, and kale are also rich in vitamin C. Studies show that 100 milliliters of vitamin C can boost iron absorption by up to 67%. Add a squeeze of lemon to your salads, or start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Include melons, berries, and other tangy fruits in your snacks. Eat more leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are excellent sources of iron and vitamins. These vegetables should be part of your daily diet, especially during pregnancy, as they can help prevent various types of anemia. Enjoy them in salads, smoothies, sandwiches, and wraps. Incorporate vitamin A-rich foods. Vitamin A enhances iron absorption significantly. Foods rich in vitamin A include sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkins, tomatoes, and other red or orange fruits and vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale also contain vitamin A. Adding these to your diet can help maximize iron absorption and provide numerous other health benefits. Eat meat in moderation. Meat, especially red meat, chicken, and fish, is a great source of heme iron, which aids in the absorption of non-heme iron. Consuming 75 grams of meat can enhance non-heme iron absorption by 2 to 3 times. However, avoid deep frying meat, as it can destroy nutrients and add unhealthy fats. Opt for grilling or boiling to retain maximum nutritional benefits. Cook with cast iron skillets. Using a cast iron skillet can increase the iron content of your food by up to 16%. Acidic foods like tomato sauce and high moisture vegetables cooked in cast iron can absorb more iron. Plus, cast iron cookware is chemical-free and durable. Be cautious with calcium-rich foods. Calcium can inhibit iron absorption. If you consume calcium-rich foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt, space them out from your iron-rich meals. Studies show that 165 milligauss of calcium can reduce iron absorption from supplements by 50–60%. Watch out for tea, coffee, and polyphenols. Tea and coffee contain polyphenols and tannins that interfere with iron absorption. Drinking these beverages with meals can reduce iron absorption by 60–70%. To avoid this, enjoy tea and coffee a few hours before or after iron-rich meals. Avoid phytic acid-rich foods. Phytic acids found in seeds, grains, nuts, and legumes can reduce the absorption of iron, zinc, magnesium, and calcium. To minimize their impact, soak, sprout, or ferment these foods before consuming them. Final tips: prioritize food over supplements. Focus on getting iron from natural food sources. Regularly check your blood levels, including hemoglobin and ferritin, to monitor your iron status. Only take iron supplements if advised by a doctor, as excess iron can be harmful, leading to liver damage, diabetes, and heart disease. Iron is just one of the many essential minerals your body needs daily. For more information on other important nutrients, check out our videos on zinc-rich foods and signs of zinc deficiency. How do you boost your iron levels? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.